Ready to ditch the board and challenge your friends to a chess match from anywhere? Let's turn your WhatsApp into a virtual chess arena. First, head to your browser and search for chess websites. There are tons of free options that let you play online. Lichess.org or chess.com are both great starting points. Once you've picked a site, you'll usually need to create a free account. After you're logged in, look for an option to start a new game or challenge a friend. You'll likely see options to customize your game, like the time control, how long each player has, and which color you want to play. Decide on these settings with your friend beforehand for a smooth experience. Now, here comes the important part. The website will generate a unique link or code for your game. Copy this link to your clipboard. Open WhatsApp and find the chat with the friend you want to play against. Paste the game link into the message box and send it. Your friend simply needs to tap the link you sent. It'll take them directly to the game on the chess website, and you can start playing. Each player takes turn by using the website interface.